gonna turn down the lights, turn down the music. Turn down for what? Well, I'll tell you. The moonfish. Moonfish, could you help me with the final announcements? You might recognize the moonfish. They're very helpful with visual aids. Gentlemen, could you please remind everyone to put away all the food, seal away the drinks, refrain from the smoking. Oh, please take pictures, but please no flash. With a flash. Round of applause for the moonfish. I know they've been working on that all year in schools. True story. Crush is on the surface, and when you're ready to talk to him, call him on down with a big, "Hey, Crush." So let's do that on the count of 3. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Crush!
Whoa, dude! Scope out the double spinner intro by the turtle. Jaw. Whoa. Whoa, dude! Hey, scope it out! Hey, we got people in the people tank! Hello, human dudes! Hey, delayed reaction, but they live. Hey, dudes. Whoa, Radical Ryan. Dude, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Oh, dude, I would totally like to make some contact with some of these humans. You think you could help me out?
Totally.
Sure, dude. Let's go over here to this tide pool. About halfway up the aisle, the dude in the light gray long sleevey shell.
Oh, this little dude?
Sure, dude. Hey, little man, what's your name?
My name is Max.
Totally awesome to meet you, Max. Dude, that's an awesome human name. Gonna give you a turtle nickname. I'm gonna call you Mighty Max, dude. So, Mighty Max, now that you got a turtle nickname, do you know how to talk like a turtle?
I don't know.
Oh, that's no problemo, Max. I'm gonna totally teach you how. Just repeat after me. Say, totally.
Totally.
Whoa. Max, dude, that was really good. All right, dude, now can you say sweet?
Sweet.
All right, now put those two together. Say totally sweet.
Totally sweet.
Yeah, give it up for Max the Turtle Talker, dude. Hey, Max, dude, that was awesome. You're like bilingual. So, dude, where do you come from?
Not street.
Oh, that is very specific. Well, dude, who brought you here on this fine day? Who brought you here today, dude?
My mom.
Oh, kicking it with the mama. Awesome. Hey, Max's mom, totally put up your fin. Totally need to talk to you. Whoa.
Way back here.
Way, way back there. Taking a mini vacay from the little one. Hey, dudette, what's your name?
Gina.
Totally awesome to meet you, Mama Gina. Hey, how many little ones do you have in total?
3 of them.
Whoa. Dudette, you are just getting started. Oh, I have 65 of my own. Gina, you should try that.
Nope, absolutely not.
It would change you. Well, does Max ask you all kinds of questions?
Yeah, a lot.
I bet you're the rockin' mama with like all the answers.
If not, I make them up.
I make them up too. Awesome talking to you, dudette. Well, actually, human dudes, that's the total reason I am here today. I am here to learn the ways of the human. See, my son Squirt is always asking me questions about your human world. And, well, like Gina, I don't have all the answers. But if you do think you can help me out, can you say chaw? You so totally rock! Whoa. Hey, like 3 hesitant turtle talkers already know the lingo. Well, for the rest of you dudes, follow their lead. Whenever a green sea turtle says, "You so totally rock," you respond, "Dude, so you so totally rock." Hey, now we're all talking turtle. Well, that does lead me to Squirt's question numero uno. Squirt totally wants to know how many of you human dudes know how to swim like us green sea turtles. So raise your fin if you know how to swim, human dudes. Oh, dude, we got some rat shredders out there. You know what? Let's stay here on the seats. Let's go fourth row at the first noggin, dude. Looks like a rat shredder. Hey, dude, what's your name?
Isabella.
Totally awesome to meet you, Ison and Isabella. Hey, dude, where are you from?
San Diego.
Oh, no way. Dude, we got a sand dog in the house. Does that mean you're a rat surfer?
I try to, but not really.
Oh. Well, at least you tried. Well, if you're not surfing it up, what do you like to do for fun in San Diego?
I like to watch movies and I like to sleep in my bed.
You are a party animal, dudette. Oh, but when you do go swimming in San Diego, do you like to swim fast or take it nice and easy?
I like to swim fast.
Well, like really fast?
I try to.
Like really, really, really fast?
Maybe not as fast as you.
Well, that's okay. You're not a sea turtle. But tell you what, dudette, I am in the mood to go wicked fast. You want to see how fast the Crush Man can swim? Say chaw. You so totally rock. All right, dudes, I'm going to get this motor running. I'm going to grab a current and break a turtle speed record. This one's for you, Isabella, dude. All right, I'm ripping it. I'm rolling it. And I'm getting rid. Oh, I forgot about the glass. Oh.
Hey, Crush,
Yeah?
watch out for the glass.
Oh, thanks, Hank, dude. You do so that too, right? Oh, dude, I thought I took a wicked hit to the noggin there. Oh, but you know what? It did knock some sense into me. I've been a rude dude doing all the talking. Now it's your turn. Who here has a question for me? Come on and pop those fins up nice and high, dudes. Oh, dude, right, dude. We gotta kick it over here in this tide pool. Like right in the front. But he's got a red, long sleevey shell kind of right by the rail. Awesome to meet you, Jellyfish Julian. Dude, hit me with your quizzy.
What's your favorite color?
Oh, dude, let's make a game out of that one, okay? I'm gonna give you a super secret hint and I want you to guess. See, I am a Pacific green sea turtle. What do you think my favorite color is, Julian?
Purple?
I'm gonna give you another hint. I am a Pacific green sea turtle that likes to eat the green seagrass. Go on, Julia, what do you think my favorite color is?
Green?
It's like you can read my mind. Well, dude, what's your favorite color?
Orange?
Oh, orange is a pretty cool color. One of my best friends, he's a clownfish, which is totally orange. Dude, you seem really smart. Maybe you can help me out with something. I found this. It was floating on top for a while, but then it finally made its way down. And, well, Julian, dude, Squirt's been wondering what this is. I don't know what to tell him. So, what is this?
A sign?
Okay, well, what do I do with this sign? What's step one?
Cheer with it?
Okay, well, how do I do that?
You put it up in the sky and like celebrate or something?
Okay. All right, Julian, I got it up in the sky. Now what?
You wave it?
Well, I'm waving it. Now what?
I think you have to do it in front of a crowd.
Well, should I say something?
Sure.
Like what, Julian?
We got turtles, yes we do. We love turtles. How about you?
Hey, that was really good. We got turtles. How about you? We love turtles. Yes, we do. Oh, sorry, ma'am. Dude, I got some really weird looks up there. There was this one woman, she was kind of waving around with me. And you dudes have some pretty strange rituals, but I dig it. Oh, Julian, dude, that was awesome. I can't wait to share that with Squirt. Dude, you so totally rock. Hey, who else has a question? Go ahead and pop those foods, dudes. I like talking to the adults, to the kids. Oh, dude, we got to kick into the upper corner of this tie pool. Dudette with the extra ears and the specs on the noggin.
Yeah.
Sure. Hey, Dudette, what's your name?
Ellie.
Totally awesome to meet you. So, see, Shelly, Ellie, what's your question?
So, if we can see water, can you see air and water?
Totally can do that. Actually, our eyes are really suited for the water. We see down here a lot better than up there, but yeah, we can see up there just fine. As a matter of fact, that's... Somebody speaking dolphin out there? I heard it and went... It means I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I want some shawarma. That sounds good. Yeah, but Dudette, totally. Our eyes are pretty good down here. What about you, Dudette? Can you see underwater?
No.
Bummer. Well, Dudette, when you do go swimming, always make sure you go swimming with a swimming buddy, okay?
Okay.
Oh, very good, Dudette. Because I got a friend named Nemo one time went swimming without a buddy, and that dude got lost for like an hour and 47 minutes. Well, Ellie, dude, thanks for the question. You so totally rock. Hey, who else has a question? Pop those fins, dudes. Oh, dude, you know what? We do have a quizzy. Oh, first row, second noggin on this side, dude. Jaw. Hey, Mini-Man, what's your name?
Jaden.
Totally awesome to meet you, Jaden, dude. What's your question?
How many babies do you have?
Oh, I got 65 little ones, dude. Yeah, my youngest is Squirt. He's 7. And my oldest one is Keanu, who's 50 and still lives at home. We're working on him. What about you, dude? Like, how many brothers or sisters do you have?
None.
Oh. Dude, you know what that means? That means more food for you, dude! Oh, dude, thanks so much for the question. You so totally rock! Dudes, I cannot wait to share all this info. Oh, dudes, check it out, it's Bailey. Hey, let's call him on over. Everyone go.
Crush!
Hey!
Hey!
Oh, what's going on, Bailey, dude? How are you?
Oh my goodness, funny looking humans, huh?
No, dude, Isabella's cool, but dude, they can hear you, the hydrophone's on.
No, they can't.
Yes,
Watch
they
this.
can.
Hi, humans.
I see it.
Oh, okay. Why didn't you tell me?
Oh, Bailey, dude, I tried to, but you're like,
Wait.
Ooh, like that.
I'm getting something.
Yeah, what is it, dude?
Wow. Every human in the seats has a shiny rectangle that lights up. That's weird.
Oh, yeah, those are shell phones, dude.
Later, Crush.
Get it, Bailey? Shell phone? Thought that joke would get better reception. Well, dudes, Bailey is a beluga whale. He has what we call echolocation. Wow! Hey, Squirt, dude, hold up, I got some knowledge for you.
Come on. Time to ride the EAC, dude.
Correct mundo, Squirt. But check this out. These humans, dude, they were answering a lot of your questions. And check it out. I found out what to do with that big yellow thing. Check it out, dude. You're supposed to hold it up, way up into the sky. And you're supposed to say, we like turtles. Yes, we do. We like turtles. How about you?
Sweet.
Sure, dude.
You so totally rock.
Dude.
Rock on, human dude.
Oh, crawl away, my son. Well, human dudes, I gotta go catch up with Squirt. But before I go, let me leave you with this. Remember, dudes, to never make enemies with a seam of enemy. With an enema, with a
Crush, allow me to translate.
Thanks, dude.
I got nothing.
Stay in schools, dudes. All right, I gotta go, but you so totally rock.
Dude, round of